Welcome everyone. Today I would like to tell you my own story titled The Whereabout of Nature. Please enjoy it as much as you can. On one fine day, a son and his father were cleaning the messy library. Swoop, swoop, tuk, tuk, swoop, swoop, tuk, tuk, swoop, swoop, tuk, tuk. Hmm? What is this picture, father? I've never seen a photo like it. Hmm? Let me see. Ah, this is the picture of the sea. Sea, father? But the sea that I know of is only a yellow puddle filled with trash. It's nothing like in the picture. Ah, not that sea. The sea back then, of course. Back then, the sea was blue and filled with wonder. Unlike the sea nowadays. Oh, oh, oh. No, I'm curious about the sea back then. Uh, hmm. Then, father, do you have a video about it, maybe? About the sea back then? No, I don't like to rely on technology. But I do have something even better. And what is it, father? Well, all you need to do is just follow my instruction. You're always like that. But okay, let's do it. Okay, son, first, close your eyes. Okay, done. Then imagine you're a wind hurling into your face. From the wind, you can smell a hint of salt. Then you feel your leg trembling. As you tremble, you saw beneath your foot, and you saw a face water. Water as blue as emerald, and as bright and as reflective as mirror. You dive into the water, and you see a school of fish swimming around you. Maybe it was a clownfish. Maybe it was a shark. Maybe it was a trout. Does it matter? Not really. But you follow them anyway. Then you came into their home, in the coral, in the anemone. Maybe the fish in their home is finding mate. Maybe they're playing with their family. Maybe they're playing with their friend. Maybe they're just eating. My point is the fish. The ocean was really rich with creature back then, unlike now. So now, son, open your eyes slowly. Now, now, give me your opinion. Uh, I I don't think that that was mystical, father. I don't think I don't think the same sea we're talking about is the same sea you're talking. I I, I don't know what shall I say. I but father, if what you're saying is true, then what happened to the blue sea? Why has it turned into a toxic waste right now? It's not a tale. Many will tell you. Mine. It's a tragic tale, really. My generation and the generation before us, we were blessed by the nature. We were born in them. Where we choose to improve our technology, our social standard, but we've never improved our treatment toward the nature. We always thought the nature need human, when in actuality it's the reverse. The human is actually the one that needs the nature. And when we realize it, it's already too late. Our industrialization has caused so much pollution to the point that uh, the sea has turned into nothing, into the sea that you know today. I'm really ashamed. No, no, not ashamed. I'm really at fault in here. Back then, I chose to ignore it. Uh, and now, as a result, you, my son, you don't even know what the sea is back then. You don't know what the wonder of the sea. You can't see. You can see the wonder of nature. I'm sorry, my son. I'm sorry. But but what if we restore it? So yeah, what if we restore it to the blue sea back then? I mean, if you didn't start back then, we could start now, father. What are you talking about? The pollution today has already caused too much. By the time we restore the sea back to the blue, both of us will not be in this war anymore. Even so, father, we must do it. After all, we're not doing it for ourselves, but for the future of humanity as well. Well, well, even though I'm not a really good father, I do raise a really good son. Hey, I'm proud of you. Well, that's all for my story. And remember, by the time of 2021, there are already 5.25 trillion both micro and microplastic in the sea. Goodbye.